Welcome everybody back to the channel. Coming to give everybody a little update on XCN. We're going to get through this intro and we're going to get right to the charts and stay to the end and I'll play a song. We look over here at the price of XCN. Let's go over here to trading view. We at 0.0045 on the day setting neutral. We in a new day, 6 minutes and 46 seconds. And we just set neutral on new day. Excuse me. But we've had some spikes up, trying to get back up to the top of the fib, and we did get back up around 0046, came back down to 00445, and now we hit it back in that top of the range again, back up here, trying to get back up here to 0046. Just ranging, but I did want to come and give you an overall update on the market, what it looks like for XCN right now. And my overall assessment is bearish structure. XCN has been in a clear downtrend on the 4-hour chart. Let me make sure I'm on the 4-hour chart. No, I'm on the, and I want to show you the overall. We've been on this downward trend here, and that's what I'm bringing to you. And for a while now, we've been making lower highs, as you can see on the chart there, and lower lows over the past 10 plus days. With very little bullish conviction on bounces. The key observation: price action, strong sell-off from. We sent a strong sell-off from where we was at 0048, 0050 zone. We're currently struggling near the 0045 level. No clear higher low form yet. Momentum remains to the downside. The order flow, CVD is relatively flat but slightly positive recently. Our spot CVD is deeply negative. Heavy spot selling pressure is what we're seeing. Funding rates are strongly negative. Shorts are dominant and paying a premium. This can lead to short squeezes if price reverses, but currently supports continued downside pressure. Open interest very stable around 365 million. No major long liquidation wave yet. On the futures, bid and ask delta is mixed with some green bars showing occasionally buying attempts. We cover our technical indicators, and I want to look at the MACD. We look at it first. It's bearish. The histogram is negative with lines flat to down. On RSI, we're sitting at 43.98, approaching oversold, but not there yet. On our stock RSI, we're sitting at 52.70. Neutral, starting to flatten. Over outlook and levels, bearish scenario most likely right now will break down below 0044, could accelerate towards 0040 to 0038. If this is the most likely scenario, if we do not get no buying pressure to come in here and volume to come in on XCN, we are looking to go to 0040 down to 0038. Further downside to 0035 or lower is possible if selling pressure continues. And what would take to happen to see this bullish reversal, go from bearish to bullish, a strong reclaim of 00465 to 0048 with possible funding, flip and rising spot CVD to show real strength. And the summary of this overall update: XCN remains weak and under distribution. The heavily negative funding rates suggest the market is still biased towards shorts, unless we see a clear bullish divergence on the RSI and the MACD or strong volume buying. The path of least resistance is lower. So I wanted to bring that to you and give you an update right now. We could be headed down a little bit further down towards, but it's been holding up relatively good in this area of support, but we're at the bottom of the support level. I just wanted to show you that. Right here's our support range right here. Let me get, I don't want that. Let me get this right here. Our support range is right in here, right in this green area. And right here, we're sitting at the bottom of that. We're around the bottom. We're fixing the fall. If we don't get some momentum to push us back up to the top of the range up here, get back up here in this range up here at 0048, around this area right here where we was at before we dropped. So this is what needs to happen. Not coming to you negative on XCN, but this is the time we pull back to load the truck. And that's what I'm fitting to bring you here, a song dedicated for times to uplift you at times that we see it's not going our way or our favor in the crypto market on XCN. Times is coming, times are going to change. Just like XLM, it was quiet, but look what happened. One little announcement, and man, it changed everything. And I want to bring that to you too. Always the loudest thing out there, it's not doing nothing. The quietest thing, the quietest person in the room could be the most dangerous. So I just want to bring you that update. Not a lot of hype, not a lot of content that was covering XLM Stellar, but look what happened with the DTCC. This was announced, and it's massive, very massive. So don't never give up hope on XCN, because the same thing could be happening behind the scenes with XCN. We don't know what's going on behind closed doors. So don't count the little man down. Don't count him out. XCN, there's something I do believe that's going on behind closed doors that we just don't know nothing about. And then those that ain't invested, when the news comes out, it's going to be too late. So y'all just enjoy the song and load the truck.
Yeah, it's just a little pullback, boy. XCN Army, grab your boots and load up. Load the truck up, boys. We haulin' heavy, XCN on the rise. Keep them hands steady, strong hands hold. Weak hands fold. From this dirt road dip to them streets of gold. Load the truck, load the truck, load the truck. Onyx car running, feel that country thunder. Wheels been buying a bit lit. The fuse, XCN to the moon. We got nothing to lose. Country boy raised on dirt roads and dips. All XCN cheap, and I loaded up quick. Whale slipping inside and while the retail ran scared. I'm stacking in my cold wallet like it's corn in the shed. A bit listing popped off, sent the price up 64. Now the whole world's watching what we already know. Goliath mainnet dropping 9X V2 on the way. Clarity Act coming, this the breakout play. Load the truck up, boys. We haulin' heavy, XCN on the rise. Keep them hands steady, strong hands hold. Weak hands fold. From this dirt road dip to them streets of gold. They laughed at the chart when it looked real ugly. I smiled in the mirror, said this dip's for the country. Partnerships popping, third web in the game. Point system dropping, putting fuel on the flame. From 0 double or 4 to multiple bucks, we heading. Why city boys panic? We out here shredding, boots on the ground, diamond hands in the air. XCN Army, country strong, we everywhere. They can keep their fear, keep their weak little hands. We out here farming these dips across these lands. When the rockets ignite and the charts turn green, you remember the boys who loaded up on this drain. Load the truck up, boys. We haulin' heavy, XCN to the moon. Feel that country levy, strong hands hold. Weak hands fold. Honest protocol rise and worth its weight in gold. Load the truck, load the truck, load the truck. From the back roads to the penthouse ain't just a coin, this a movement, G. Load the truck, XCN, see y'all at a couple bucks.
Hope you enjoyed that. Until we see you again on the next one, God bless you.